Now, the first thing we need to know about a Shendor pendulum is that it's the right one for an individual. So, Maria, for argument's sake, might quite like this one. This is the Shen walnut. So it's a walnut Shendor pendulum. So what I'm going to do is, Maria, you can just hold this. You can hold it by the little peg at the end of it. Actually, I'm going to forget this because you don't have 3 arms, unfortunately. So I want you just to hold it in your hand. Just hold the whole thing in your hand. And then hold your hand at your heart chakra. Okay? And now give me a nice strong arm. Okay, ready? Is this? Okay, so heart chakra is happy. Now move your hand forwards about 6 inches. Okay, once again, nice strong arm. Ready? Resist. No, that's not so strong, is it? No. Okay. Now, we're going to compare this with another Shendor pendulum. And this is the Shen of pear. Shen, by the way, means spirit. So it's the spirit of pear. So this is pear wood. And we can do the same thing. Start next to your heart chakra. Once again, ready, resist. Now move it out a few inches. Once again, ready, resist. Move it out a few more inches. Once again, ready, resist. And a few more. Ready, resist. So this is a strong arm. Thanks, Mark. This is, actually, you can keep that. Hang on to it. So this is a strong heart chakra all the way out through the energy field. So this is okay, close in, but just a few inches out, the heart chakra was no longer particularly strong. Let's have a look at your heart chakra. Let me borrow that from you. Let's have a look at your heart chakra without the pendulum. So I have Karma Mudra out here. Okay, ready? Resist. Now a few more inches out. Okay, ready? Resist. Not so strong. That's a normal response. Everyone's chakras become weaker further out from their physical body. But when you hold a Shendor pendulum that is resonant with your heart chakra energy is strong all the way out. Why is this important? Because in your heart chakra there is an energy that transforms your karmas, transforms the challenges in your life, whether in your health or your relationships or your work, or your security or your creativity, all kinds of challenges people normally experience in their lives are transformed into fortunes by the energy in the heart chakra. It's a very special energy, and the Shendor pendulum, the right one for you, makes that energy stronger and stronger.